1963 Alfa Romeo Giulia 1600 Spider. Price $7,500 US. Location Montana, USA. The 1963 Alfa Romeo Giulia 1600 Spider you are looking at is far more than just an old car sitting in storage. It is a genuine piece of Italian automotive history, a machine that once captured the hearts of driving enthusiasts around the world. Finished in an eye-catching Rosso red exterior, this classic roadster represents an era when sports cars were built with passion, style, and personality. Even after decades, the elegant curves and timeless proportions of the Giulia Spider continue to turn heads wherever it goes. The moment you walk around this Alfa Romeo, you immediately notice the unmistakable Italian design language that made the brand famous. From its graceful front end to its beautifully sculpted body lines, every angle tells a story of craftsmanship and performance. Chrome trim accents the exterior, while the classic 15-inch wheels complete the vintage sports car appearance. This is the type of automobile that makes people stop, stare, and ask questions at every gas station or car show. The heart of this Giulia Spider is its legendary inline, 4-cylinder engine equipped with a Solex 2-barrel carburetor. During the golden age of European sports cars, Alfa Romeo built a reputation for creating engines that delivered excitement far beyond their modest displacement. The sound, the character, and the driving experience combined to create a machine that felt alive on every road. Even today, enthusiasts consider these classic Alfa powerplants among the most engaging engines ever fitted to a small sports car. The interior reflects the pure sports car philosophy of the early 1960s bucket seats, a classic 3-spoke steering wheel, and simple driver-focused controls remind us of a time before screens, sensors, and electronic driving aids. Everything about this car was designed to connect the driver directly to the road. It is an experience that modern automobiles, despite their advanced technology, often struggle to replicate. What makes this particular Alfa Romeo especially exciting is its potential. Having recently emerged from long-term storage, it is being offered as a project vehicle that requires restoration and mechanical attention. For some buyers, that may sound intimidating, but for true enthusiasts, this represents an incredible opportunity. Instead of paying a premium for a completed restoration, the next owner has the chance to bring this iconic sports car back to life according to their own vision. Imagine opening the garage door each weekend and slowly transforming this forgotten Italian classic into a showpiece. Every repaired component, every polished chrome detail, and every freshly restored panel would become part of a rewarding journey. Restoring a vintage Alfa Romeo is not simply about fixing a car, it is about preserving a piece of automotive heritage for future generations.